Students of class 5A and 5B, welcome to my GK class. Since few lessons are very small, that's why the lessons which were excluded from the syllabus of second unit test, please take it down, the name of these lessons. This time I am going to add it in the syllabus of second unit test. So questions will come from this lesson I am teaching. Number 1, unit 5, tools we use. Okay. Now from the beginning you write, open at page number 47. Open at page 47. The name of this lesson, heat words. Already I have taught it. Heat words now has become the lesson of the syllabus unit test 2, syllabus for unit test 2. Open at page 47, heat words, and then tools we use. I have not yet started. Now today I am going to teach this lesson. Tools we use, open page 48, and another lesson 49, 49, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Okay, page 49 to 50. So these three lessons now I included in the syllabus for second unit test. So questions will come from there in the second unit test. So you have to study these three lessons. Number 1, heat words, page 47. Number 2, tools we use, 48. Number 3, vitamins and minerals, page number 49, 50. So these are the three lessons. Already lesson number, already unit 5 heat words I have taught you, page number 47, and now today I am going to teach you tools we use. Open at page number 48. Tools we use. Here are the points mentioned in the board, names of tools, its uses, and those who use it, utilities, knowledge as to how it should be used. So these are the points now I am going to teach you, explain you. Actually, the tools which are mentioned in your book, these all are in the picture form. All the tools, pictures of different tools are depicted in your book, depicted in your books. This is given in picture form, but this type of picture form questions will not come. I shall give you questions and then you have to identify and then you have to answer. For example, I gave you one question. These tools are used by the masons. In that case, what you have to write? You have to write the name of the tools used by the masons. The name of the tool is trowel, T-R-O-W-E-L, trowel. Trowels are the tools used by the masons while constructing, cementing works, or while making wall with bricks. These tools are used by the masons. Trowel. The name of the tools are trowels. And now I am going to start teaching. Do you know the names of the tools used by carpenters, masons, plumbers, sweepers, cleaners? They generally use different types of tools in their regular life. And it is nothing but while making any type of construction, while making doors, windows, while wiring the houses with cable were wired by the electricians. So the tools which are required for that part, required to them, we generally don't have any idea of its names. That's why now we have to learn the names of these tools. What types of tools are there? Generally, plumbers, carpenters, masons, electricians, sweepers, they generally use in their use as a part of their job or profession. Now, first one picture is depicted in your books. You see it, screwdriver. What is this? Screwdriver. Now, what is the use of it? Screwdriver is used by whom? Screwdriver is used by actually electricians, plumbers, but at the same time these are used by us also. We use screwdriver and we keep it in our houses as household items. That's why screwdrivers are very important to each and every person. At any emergency, screwdriver is used. For example, one nut already duly tied, one nut has become loose. Suddenly one nut or bolt suddenly became loose. There was a loose contact or loose fittings. In that case, immediately we have to find out screwdriver where it is kept. From the toolbox we find it out, take it out, and then apply it and get it tight and hold it properly and then fixed it tightly. So this is about screwdriver. These are used by masons, electricians, and plumbers, and of course carpenters also. And next one, hammer. Hammer also one kind of tools are used by masons, used by carpenters, used by plumbers while making wall, while getting plaster work on the wall, or while making wiring works. Generally, electricians, masons, carpenters use these tools. This is known as hammer. And next one, chisel. What is chisel? Chisel also a tool used by the carpenters. It is basically used by the carpenters, and it is used only when they generally carpenters generally make furniture work, furniture works, and windows, doors. During that time, chisel is used by the carpenters. And next one, palm plier. What is palm plier? Palm plier is a tools, one kind of tools used by the actually plumbers. It is basically used by the plumbers who generally set deep tube into the plumbers plumb deep tube and tube well and GI pipes, and by digging the soil and then set it, and then help us to have water from the down level. And this is one kind of knife. This is one kind of not knife, actually one kind of tool. These tools are used by the only the plumbers. Plumbers used to hold it, the pipes, hold it, small flats. That flats are tight. That flats are holded by them with palm plier. That's why palm plier is a useful item for the plumbers. And next one, utility knife. Utility knife is actually a household item. These are kept by each and every person in their houses because of emergency. Whenever we need to have it, we always take it out from that place. We generally keep it in the kitchen and then use it while cutting any any type of things like vegetables, like fruits. then utility knife is used. And next one, wire cutter. Wire cutter also a tool, one kind of tools used by masons, used by carpenters, used by electricians, but basically basically wire cutters are used by the electricians. Electricians usually come to our houses to repair any kind of wirings. During that time they apply this tool, this item, wire cutting. That's why it is an important item, essential to the electricians. And next one, screw wrench. Screw wrench is used by basically the plumbers. The plumbers use screw wrench. It is used during the time when they keep one cap tight, they hold it and then keep on tight it. This is known as screw wrench, basically used by the plumbers, but it is also used by the carpenters also. Carpenters also can use it, and this is an essential tool. These are essential tools for each and every person. So every person generally keeps it in their houses. This is an during emergency, screw wrench is used by everyone. So it is also a household item. Screw wrench, these tools are used by each and every person. And now handsaw. Handsaw is actually one kind of tools used by basically the carpenters while making doors, windows, and furniture products. Handsaw is used. Handsaw is used by them. And next one, X. What is X? It is also used by whom? It is also used by the carpenters. Carpenters use X. And trowel, I told you in the beginning, trowel is used by the masons while making wall. And hole cutter is used by whom? Hole cutter is used by the masons. Hole cutter is used by the by the masons and electricians and plumbers also. Hole cutter. And next one, electric drill. Electric drills is used by both the electricians and carpenters in order to drill one wall, in order to drill wood. Carpenters as well as electricians use it. And next one, rake. Rake is an item used by basically the sweepers, generally who cleans the drains and clear garbage, waste particles in order to dispose of the regular water through the drains. They clear out the garbage of drain. They generally use it, the rake, and with this rake they clear out garbage, waste particles, and dump whatever we use. We leave it, we throw it into the dustbin. Sometimes these are mixed up with the drains, house drain to street drains. Then in order to clear disposal water, these sweepers use this rake. These tools are useful to them. And next one, another one, that is shovel spade. What is this? No, coping saw. Coping saw is a household item nowadays. Every house, if you go, there is a coping saw because it is used as emergency purpose by each and every one. Although it is an item for the carpenters, it is an item for the, the plumbers, it is an item for, the masons, but still we use it in our houses. For that reason, we keep it, coping saw in our houses for emergency purpose. And last of all, shovel spade. What is shovel spade? Shovel spade is a tools, one kind of tools used by basically the sweepers, cleaners of drains. They use it besides laborers, agricultural laborers and laborers who generally load and unload, full trucks, and they generally use it. These tools are used by the laborers. These tools are used by the sweepers while cleaning out drains, while collecting garbage from the drains, while collecting waste particles from the drains, while collecting hazards from the drain, because solid waste produced by solid wastes are collected by them through this shovel spade. Shovel spade is used by the sweeper while clearing the garbage, and garbage becomes sometimes waste, solid waste, due to long delay in clearing out drains. Sometimes it becomes solid waste. That's why during that time sweepers generally use shovel spade in order to collect solid waste from drains, and by this way the sweepers make our environment neat and clean, free of all kinds of diseases. So these are the tools we use, and these are the tools used by different professionals, different people, different experts, like masons, like carpenters, like electricians, like plumbers. They use in their everyday life. So these are the tools are very important to each and every person, and these are very important to us. We keep it also, some tools we keep it in our houses. Up to this, my dear students, thank you very much. All of you must learn properly the names of the tools and its uses. Up to this, thank you.